The scent of this, it smells so familiar. I'm trying to put my hands on it. Oh, it's a familiar scent. I just can't think of what it. Oh. Why? This is the only question. Why Dollar Tree? This smells so good. This smell. I know you was thinking. You was like, that must be don't smell. Girl, it smells delightful. Now this is the cotton candy scented. You just gotta do one of these. Chow, that smells good. Only thing I can do, honey, is my heart. I mean, my hand is on my heart. Only thing I can do is deliver. That's all I can do is deliver. I gotta bring you guys these Steal Deals Trills for real. Honey, I would not be myself if I didn't. Okay? Now, did you see these? Cosmetic brush sets? 8 pieces for $1.25. Get into this, and this is by Be Pure. Honey, they ain't come here to play. They also have this right here, this cosmetic set right here. 8 pieces for $1.25 as well. Oh, it's lying. Honey, now you know, stuff like this goes really, really quick. I'm just saying, I'm just saying. Now, they just put this box out, okay? I won't be back here buying nothing until Saturday, but that's okay. They're going to have what they need to have. Now, another item, honey, when I tell you, you know what? The transformation, let's talk about the transformation. Compared to now, I don't know, sometimes I'm like Target, Walmart, Walgreens, okay? Because they out here, Michael's, they out here delivering. And I'm trying to tell you, look at this. This is the Spa headband for skincare routines and applying makeup. You want to push your hair back? Honey, get one of these. Blue and pink. Oh, they ain't done. Spa wristbands keeps water from dripping down your arms. 1 pair by Be Pure. Honey, $1.25. But not only do they have that color, they also have the pink. So, honey, you're going to be decked out, matching, coordinating. That's your name. $1.25. The most you gonna spend on this set is what, $2.58 or something like that. We gotta put the tax in. This is a steal deal. Child, I feel a spa day coming on, child. Alright, so if you missed the video yesterday, honey, you a day late. Okay, where were you? Alright, now Dollar Tree has this facial spa set. Get into it, Linda, and we gonna do it. This is the facial brush. Look how cool this is. Child, they are delivering, okay? Now, they also have the headbands, the blue one. And if you like, Dina, what about pink? Honey, they got you. They say ain't nothing for us but to do it. Look at this. This is so cute. You won't be able to tell. Honey, you can't tell this stuff is $1.25. If you one of those, the ones that, like, I can't let nobody see that I shop at Dollar Tree. You come at Dollar Tree at night when nobody is out. Okay. You one of those. Then they also have the exfoliating bath gloves. These are $1.25 as well. Pedicure set. All right now. You get 5 pieces for $1.25. Honey, it's about to be summer. I'm just saying. I ain't coming for you. I'm just saying, okay? Now, Dollar Tree also have these cosmetic bags, Good Vibes Only, $1.25. They also have this bag right here, Selfie Preparation Kit, $1.25. And here you was worried about the prices. You see this good stuff that they bringing in. Honey, for $1.25, honey, that's the one. Okay, so we've been over this last time so many times, time and time again. Okay, Dollar Tree, they have the Steals Trills for real. Look. Now, I do it last time. I said, you know what? Dollar Tree, you get 3 of these for $3.50. Dollar Tree said, oh, no, we have to level up. Okay? We have to make it hard for the competition. Now, me personally, I don't compete. But listen, Dollar Tree said the value, 5-pack, no more 3-pack, child. They giving you the 5-pack. Check this out. So Dollar Tree is out in these streets, delivering, and that's word to the mother and the brother. Word to the mother and the brother. Look at this, value 5-pack, most leading national brand warmers. Scratch and sniff. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see if they, they put in their mouth. if they put in their money where the mouth is, okay? Or if they put in the money. You get what I'm saying, child. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. I got some lipstick. Child. About to have me shouting up in here. Now, this thing is $3 for 5 of these. Child, with notes of strawberry and raspberry scented oil refills. Child, you better speak it. Now, I think this is the only scent that they currently have at this moment. But, honey, that'll do. That smells really good to me. And I would say you, but I don't know if you came across these. Now, another thing. Now, this, you know what Dollar Tree been doing, putting this in everything, this Bermuda Blue Citrus. Honey, they have the room mist with essential oils. They have the solid gel air fresheners. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, listen. So, it's so funny because the other day, my youngest son, we had came to Dollar Tree, and he was asking about the basketballs, right? So, if your children, they are looking for basketballs, okay, Dollar Tree has the basketballs, they are $5, okay? Honey, try to tell me Dollar Tree ain't delivering, okay? Now, oh, child, you remember those earbuds I showed you guys yesterday? Just in case if you ain't see the video, honey, your day late, okay? But look, these Gemstone Pros Cream, these are $5. Now Dollar Tree has them, and the ones that they have available right now is the white and black ones. They did have the pink ones, the hot pink, but it don't appear that they have any more of those at this current time. That's a still deal like Holyfield, okay? It does so many things. LED, digital display, accurate display of battery level, advanced mic. Okay? Now, superior core quality with environment noise reduction, professionally tuned sound, perfect balance, touch control, long lasting battery life. This is a still deal like Holyfield. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has been getting in is these fancy pantsy doormats. Now, you guys hear me say all the time, you buy the doormat. You don't be nobody's doormat, okay? And that's a message. Family and friends, welcome, okay? That's $5. And then they also have welcome friends. These are really, really cute. My fave is definitely this, though. This is, honey, this just makes it seem like it belongs on, you know, like an estate or something. You get what I'm saying? This is just fancy, okay? This is $5. Also, don't forget that Dollar Tree has the medium duty watering hose, 50 feet. These are $10. Now, they brought these in a few months ago, but honey, when I tell you these things went quick like hotcakes, now they restocked them, okay, and they have a few left. Another new item Dollar Tree has is cleaning is our business since 1967. Now, this is stain blasters for a great clean, $1.25. What I noticed is Dollar Tree is bringing a lot of the powder, okay, inside the stores. Like this, they also have Borax right here, Borax powder, laundry booster, and multi-purpose cleaner. These are $1.25. And these Bermuda Blue Citrus laundry detergent sheets, I'm going to try these when I go to the laundry Saturday. I'm going to try these because I never used detergent sheets, laundry detergent sheets, okay? But I want to see how these do. You get 15 for $1.25. Another item that Dollar Tree has is called Bottle Up Joy Scent Burst Technology. Velvet, peach, odor neutralizing, made with essential oils and uncycled ingredients. What do they mean by uncycled ingredients? The next one is Crimson Citrus, okay, same as that concept. And I think that's pretty much it, child. Okay, these look fancy. Look fancy. I wonder, do they smell as fancy as they look though? Looking fancy. Honey, marketing team, you doing your thing like a chicken wing, child. Okay, these are $1.25. They also have the fruit fly traps. Again, $1.25. Pest-free living. They have the laundry packs, 3-in-1, 10 pads for $1.25. Honey, they putting it in everything. They like, you know what, you gonna smell this. They have the Bermuda Blue Citrus and Wash Fragrance Booster, long lasting freshness, $1.25 as well. Now, I told you guys I tried this, okay? Did 2 bottles, though, you know. Nonetheless, this is really good. Really good, honey. I like the fragrance, the scent of it. You go to your Dollar Tree, see if they have these. Honey, you're going to be pleased. You know, all I can do is deliver. That's all I can do. Did you see this? Okay, this is the Edge Maker. Now, perfect paintbrush for complex, intricate paint jobs, door, window, edge, and trim paint, corners, ceiling, floors, water and oil-based paint, stain, and varnish. Okay, must have. They say that. Okay, must have painter's tools. You know how you be painting and you get the paint all over the window, right? And you going out the lines like, you know, when you was a kid, coloring. And your teacher would get you. Okay, honey, get this thing. Okay, accurate, detailed cutting in for decorating and painting. No, for use with lacquer-based solutions. You guys know, I used to work at a hardware store. Okay, the lacquers, like polyanthropine, I think it's called. Honey, it's been such a long time. Okay, all right. Now that tube was $1.25. Another new item Dollar Tree has is these bath fizzer with soap. Ocean Breeze scented. Look at this. Get into this. Honey, with the little star. And then they also have the peach scented. What Dollar Tree trying to do? Honey, get your coins. Now, Dollar Tree has some new natural scents. Castile soap, lavender. Okay. Olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, natural moisturizer, and bar soap. Let me find out. I need to start buying this instead of Dove. Okay, because Dove, you know Dove. You know what? I'm going to come get some of these. And then they also have peppermint. Ooh. Ooh. Man, this smells so good. Natural scent. I know it's $1.25. Natural moisturizing bar soap. Oh, that lavender just hit like no other, and that's word to the mother. Only thing I can say in Dollar Tree today is, oh wow, nail charms. You see this packaging, how they have it, how fancy and chic it is, how cute, fabulous, how amazing it is. Okay, now this is Ladybird. You get 900 pieces for $1.25. Competition where? There's no competition. 900 pieces. I didn't say 9 pieces. I said 900. I ain't say 90. I said 900. 900 pieces, $1.25. You see this? Another hot item. Pretty Woman Glitz. 24 artificial nails. Glue included. Now, you guys know I don't do they glue. Okay, if I'm being true, I don't do they glue. I don't do the glue in this package. I do the glue, like the glue that they sell separately. I do that glue. But lately, Dollar Tree has been selling glue like nail polish. It comes like in a nail polish bottle. So they have these, and then they also have these. Glaze 24 artificial nails. Pretty Woman, $1.25. What about the 100 pieces artificial nails, $1.25? They are out here slaying and not delaying. They also have these nail polishes up here at the top. Afric Golden Fleek. Afric Golden Honey Fleek. Long lasting sheer matte polish. Normally when a polish or the lip gloss lipstick comes in packages like this, normally a lot of times it's a name brand. Okay, this is $1.25. They have this color, and then they also have these. We had seen these, the Sinful colors. Really, really cool. All right, family, we're about to roll out of here. I just got to get some vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Good morning. And that's it. And then we out of here. Now, I'm trying to see. Oh, they don't have. Oh, wait. Yes, they do. Girl, I was about to say they don't have apple cider vinegar. Now I got to do a facial this morning, okay, using some bentonite clay. You know, the skin gotta be slayed and not delayed. Okay, now let's go have this and go to the checkout. All right, family, honey, we got our apple cider vinegar and got a Reese's too. Now you let me know, honey, what was your favorite item? Mine definitely was those makeup brushes. Honey, they ain't come here to play. They came here to get your coins. They came here to get, honey, they came for the coins, all right? They came here to slay and not delight. Now, let me know what was your favorite item. You know, this channel, we communicate. Come on, child, we going places. In fact, we already arrived. Let's go. Get into it. I love you guys.